Sandy will be fine.
Sandy! No!
What's it doing?
It's not doing anything.
Sandy, come!
Amanda's afraid that like one of the big animals will stand on Sandy.
Sandy, come! Oh, she's quite frantic. Come on! Come on! Calm down, Mana!
What?
It's okay. Uh-oh, he's gonna jump. Oh! I didn't know they did that, did you? And back around? It's like a game.
Who's that up there?
Jack.
Yeah.
Sandy, come on. Why are you down there? Man is really upset by all that. Huh?
No, where's Summer?
Oh, she's around the corner.